Nescafé is a household name, synonymous with instant coffee. Enjoyed by millions worldwide, this beloved beverage has a fascinating journey from farm to cup. The process begins with coffee farmers across the globe, in countries like Brazil and Vietnam. These dedicated individuals cultivate and harvest the coffee beans that form the foundation of Nescafé's flavor. With a vast network of farms and factories, Nescafé produces an astounding 1 billion cups of coffee every single day. This global operation highlights the immense scale and reach of this iconic brand. From the flowering of the coffee plant to the final packaging, every step in the production process is carefully orchestrated to ensure quality and consistency. The journey starts with the delicate white flowers that bloom on the coffee plant, a beautiful prelude to the emergence of the coffee cherries. These cherries, initially green, gradually ripen to a vibrant red, signaling the optimal time for harvesting. The careful picking of these ripe cherries is a crucial step in the creation of Nescafé's signature taste. Whether hand-picked or harvested using modern machinery, the goal remains the same: to gather the highest quality beans for the next stage of the journey. The coffee plant's journey begins with a fragrant bloom. Tiny white flowers resembling jasmine emerge on the branches. These blossoms last only a few days, but are crucial for the development of the coffee cherries. Once pollinated, the flowers give way to small green cherries. These cherries grow slowly over 6 to 9 months, gradually changing color as they ripen. The transformation from green to a deep, vibrant red signals that the coffee cherries are ready for harvesting. Harvesting methods vary depending on the size and terrain of the coffee farm. Traditional farms often rely on hand-picking, a labor-intensive but selective method. Skilled workers carefully pluck only the ripe cherries, leaving unripe ones to mature. This ensures that only the highest quality beans make their way into the final product. Larger farms, however, utilize machines for efficiency. These mechanical harvesters use vibrating rods to shake the branches, causing ripe cherries to fall onto collection plates below. This method speeds up the harvesting process significantly, allowing for greater yields in a shorter amount of time. After harvesting, the ripe coffee cherries are swiftly transported to the wet mill. This crucial step in the process must occur within 8 to 12 hours of picking to prevent spoilage. The cherries travel on conveyor belts and through hoppers, ensuring a smooth and efficient transition to the processing stage. At the wet mill, the first stage of separation takes place. The cherries are submerged in water and a gravity separator is employed. Ripe, denser cherries sink to the bottom, while unripe ones, along with leaves and twigs, float to the top and are discarded. The next stage involves removing the outer layers of the coffee cherry, a process known as depulping. Rotating drums gently crush the cherries, separating the pulp and skin from the precious beans inside. The discarded pulp and skin are often composted, returning nutrients to the soil and promoting sustainable farming practices. With the outer layers removed, the beans, still coated in a sticky mucilage, undergo fermentation. This process, which takes place in large tanks filled with clean water, breaks down the mucilage and enhances the flavor of the beans. Farmers carefully monitor the fermentation process, checking the beans by hand to ensure the desired level of softening. Following fermentation, the beans undergo a thorough washing and stirring process to remove any remaining residue. This step is crucial for preserving the integrity of the parchment layer that still encases the bean, protecting it during the subsequent drying phase. Once the beans are thoroughly washed and fermented, they are ready for drying. Traditionally, this is done by spreading the beans out on vast drying patios or raised beds. The beans are meticulously raked and turned throughout the day to ensure even drying under the sun's warmth. This natural drying process can take 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the weather conditions. As the beans dry, their moisture content gradually reduces to the optimal level of around 11%. This slow, sun-kissed drying process is believed to contribute to the development of complex flavors in the beans. After drying, the beans undergo hulling, a process that removes the dried parchment layer. Hulling machines gently crack and remove this outer layer, revealing the green coffee bean beneath. These green beans, now ready for export, are meticulously graded and sorted based on size, shape, and quality. Only the finest beans, free from defects, are selected for the next stage of the journey to become Nescafé instant coffee. The journey from flower to dried, hulled bean is a testament to the dedication and expertise of coffee farmers worldwide. Their careful attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality beans make their way into the hands of Nescafé's master roasters.